Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install YAM package manager on Oracle Linux 9.2. YAM starts for Yet Another Resource Navigator is a fast, stable and reliable JavaScript package manager that is compatible with npm node package manager. YAM helps with the management of npm package, which includes installation, upgrading, configuration and removal of packages. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of Oracle Linux is 9.2. Next, I am going to add the node source repository by using the following command. Next, I am going to install the latest node.js version by using the following command. Give yes. Again give yes. Next, I am going to verify the installed node.js version by using the following command. The node.js version is 15.20. Next, I am going to verify the npm version in the following command. The npm version is 8.19. Next, by default, YAM is not available on Oracle Linux 9 repository. Now run the following command to add the YAM repository to your system. Now the repository has been added. After the repository has been successfully added, we can install the YAM by running the following command. Give yes. Again give yes. Now we can check the version of YAM version by using the following command. The YAM version is 1.22. This is the process to install YAM package manager on Oracle Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.